Who am I? A question that all of us ponder at some point in our lives. But today, I'm here to give you a quick glimpse into the essence of me. I am John Michael F. Pereña, 21 years old, and my nickname is JM or Mikael, and some of my classmates and friends call me Mika. I live in Garcia Compound, Bibingkahan, Sorsogon City. Sometimes I stay in Executive Village to go one of our homes here. One of my hobbies is watching basketball and playing online games. My skills are cooking and playing basketball. I choose electrical because one of my uncle is an electrical engineer and it was the only slot left. And what I love about being an electrical student is learning electrical wiring and how electrical machine work and etc.